Hey, what is up? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of day. Today's comes to us from Melinda of Denver. I'm very disappointed with how I've been treated by a company that I've trusted with my house policy for the past 30 years. Also, prior to this claim, I had a leak in my roof and the roofer indicated that damage was based on storm damage. Insurance company estimated or advised that they would not repair the leak after the roofer advised the cause of the damage. Is the insurance company picking and choosing whose roof they are fixing based on so many different things? Defined because I know for sure that the insurance company has repaired a roof by the same roofing company. And I know for sure these individuals did not have damage based on the same issues. So I don't know about that, but let's see. I'm totally confused regarding how insurance companies conducting business. At this point, I'm seeking legal attention regarding this matter. Insurance companies obviously been practicing poor customer service, theft of policy money based on the fact they will not repair justified damages, and picking and choosing who they will serve based on some kind of biases. I don't really know about all that. Now, there have been many different cases, legal cases, that might define how insurance companies deal with bias and so many different things. I don't want to go down that rabbit hole, but I will tell you this. Insurance companies have a duty to apply the policy. So if homeowner A next door to homeowner B, they have both the same policies, they both have the same damages, and one gets repaired or replaced, one doesn't, why? That you really have to start questioning. And so if it's down the street, and so I'll tell you, I worked on a very large duplex claim in Denver that literally the whole building is connected, one single roof, but like separated by this invisible legal line. And homeowner A had insurance company A, homeowner B had insurance company B. Insurance company B said, yes, there's hail damage on this roof. We'll pay for your half of the roof to be repaired. Insurance company A for homeowner A said, oh, there's no hail damage. We don't see any hail damage. I get up there and I'm literally like, were you wearing goggles that you couldn't see any of the damage here? Are you lying about this and misrepresenting the facts of the damage that is on this roof? And it really calls into question how insurance companies actually apply the coverage for their policy. Now, if in this duplex situation, there was a really great policy for homeowner B and a terrible policy for homeowner A, then, maybe, but they were both replacement cost value policies. I had to fight for the one that was getting denied to help the other one also, as well as my client, which was insured A. But it just became this crazy situation that so you're telling me that one part of the roof, which is the exact same roof, is damaged and insurance company B is going to pay for it, but you, insurance company A, are saying there is no damage? Needless to say, we won that, and it was actually fairly easy after we all got on the same page and was like, do you need the paperwork from insurance company B for you to do your damn job? Because this is pretty easily seen as hail damage. So what I'm getting to is this: make sure you are being treated fairly. The other thing too is, if you need an attorney, absolutely get one. But in this case, maybe you just need a public adjuster where we can fight on your behalf to get coverage open based on the policy that you have. Remember, it's all about the policy. If you have a great policy, you probably should have a great result, and vice versa. If the policy isn't so great, maybe the result isn't going to be as great. But I will tell you this: if you are fighting a claim for school districts, municipalities, industrial, commercial, medical, residential, if you have a claim that you're not being treated fairly on, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.